to close the front of the house in.
So we'll go ahead and put down the sill plate, also the top plates, and start laying out for the doors and all the windows.
Yep, we can't wait. It's going to be so great to have the house completely closed in and then finally start working on the roof next.
Yep.
So we just went ahead and laid out exactly where our studs need to go in order to frame around our windows. The window company that we're working with, we just send them a template of exactly what our windows are going to be like, and they fabricate those windows and then send them to us, and we will install them.
Alright, so when we decided to do an A-frame, we knew we were going to maximize our view with doing 100% glass in the front. We know that we could have some heat loss with that, so we're deciding to go with triple pane windows, and for me, I think the view will be worth it. Alright, so now we're going to start installing the OSB on the front of the house. We have to get templates made up for the windows. Eventually the whole front of the house will be all windows, but for now we're going to go ahead and throw OSB up, go ahead and put a vapor barrier on there so we can get everything closed up so we can get ready to get moved in.
Yep, and until we get the sliding glass door put in on the front of the house right here, we're going to go ahead and put some OSB across that too, just because we're going to have the baby in here with us, so just for safety.
Yep. I mean, they say the camera has 10 pounds. In your case, it's got to be 35.